Welcome to the ThinOptics Reading Glass Strength Test page. Here you'll find two convenient at-home options for testing the strength of your eyes for your new pair of ThinOptics reading glasses. Your first option is the printable strength test. Click the download button on this page to get the strength test onto your computer. Then open up the file and print it out. Set your printer's output to 100% and not scale to fit to get an accurately sized printout. It's a simple one-page chart that you'll hold at a normal distance from your face, around 12 to 14 inches, while reading the lines from top to bottom. Remember to remove any corrective lenses or glasses before you start. The first line you have difficulty reading without straining will have a suggested lens strength next to it. This will be the strength that you choose when selecting your reading glasses. Pro tip, scan the QR codes on the bottom of the strength test to go directly to one of our categories of all-in-one vision solutions. Your second convenient at-home option to test the strength of your eyes is the Clarity Kit. In it, you'll receive 4 pairs of our insanely slim and durable readers in 4 strength options. You'll also receive our best-selling case solution, the Universal Pod. Try on and test each pair of readers, beginning with the Plus 1.0s. Read your text messages, the newspaper, a magazine, or an old recipe, and take your time. There's no rush. Move up to the next strength until you find the right pair for your eyes. Keep your favorite and share the remaining pairs with friends, family, or coworkers. Each pair of readers comes in a shareable sleeve with a QR code that offers a 15% discount on your recipient's first order at thinnoptics.com. Click the link below to buy the Clarity Kit, and you'll be testing your strength in the comfort of your own home in just a few days.